Hey guys, so check this thing out. I just picked this up. Now this is a demo one, so it's not correct information or anything like that, but it's a custom emblem that this guy makes. And I thought it's a great thing to show you guys because I know a lot of you guys like to customize your rides. Well, what better way to do it than to get you an emblem like this? Let me take out the package and show you. So check this thing out. You get the double-sided tape with it. If you want, you can use automotive stuff, but he gives you some of that. But look at this thing. It's all aluminum, has rounded edges. It's a bonded process, so this stuff won't rub off. And you can have it say whatever you want it to say. I thought it's a great way to customize your ride. It's a high quality looking piece and it doesn't cost that much. But look at that. And he can customize it. So like if you don't want the H here, if you have a custom logo you guys want, send him a picture of it. He can put the custom logo in that corner. So it's unique to each ride. And then on the top, you can put your year of the car, owner, build date, VIN number. If you don't want that information, you put something else. You can put your horsepower and torque numbers if you wanted. I had an old car that I did that to before. I had an SS. But really nice piece. It won't cut your finger. Really high quality. If you guys want to set your car apart, just that little touch, I would definitely check these out. You can use it in the engine compartment if you want, or I'm probably going to put mine on the console. I always like that little touch. Instead of the HFP emblem, use this. So definitely check them out, guys. I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, it's high quality. I was amazed by it. I would definitely pick one up. And it's something that can be a one-off that nobody else will have. And you can have it say whatever you want. Just message them and you can hook you guys up. So check it out below, guys. Appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys next time.